Everyone, welcome back to my blog. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's Pinay Blog. For today's blog, we're having a dessert. Let's have some dessert. For our dessert for today is vanilla ice cream waffle in a bowl right there with strawberry topping and sprinkle rainbow sprinkle right here. Yummy and delicious right here. So make a lot shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Shout out to you all. Shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone. Let's have some dessert. This is a pressed strawberry. Pressed strawberry from the grocery outlet over there in the shopping center next door right there. So let's have some waffle vanilla ice cream bowl before it get melted. Let's have some sweet, everyone. Sweetness overload. So our topping is pressed strawberry right here. Pressed strawberry right there. Strawberry right here. Pressed and sweet strawberry. So let's have some sweet, everyone. And this is the favorite day waffle bowls, and the sprinkles, of course, always have sprinkles, and the Prince Vanilla Buyers ice cream. So let's enjoy, and God bless everyone, and let's have some sweet for our dessert. So anybody have sweet tooth, let's join me, and we have some sweet for our dessert today. So shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Make a shout out to you all. So this is vanilla ice cream with strawberry topping and sprinkle rainbow sprinkles. Is multiple colors sprinkles right there. Yummy and delicious. Is in a waffle bowls. Is in a favorite day waffle bowls right there. So let's enjoy, and God bless everyone. Happy Thursday to you all. Enjoy the rest of your day. And this is the pressed strawberry right here from pressed strawberry, giant pressed strawberry right there is pressed strawberry from the grocery outlet. So let's enjoy, and um, join me to have some sweetness overload. Here, there you go. Let's eat and enjoy. There we go, everyone. Eat, enjoy, and God bless. And we have some sweet tooth. Sweet, sweet. And let's eat. So let's eat.